Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akbar, and today I want to share my lesson about topic 12. It's about CDA part 2. So before we go furthermore, we must know about the definition about CDA and also CDS. CDA is an interdisciplinary approach to studying language that goes beyond surface level analysis to unveil power dynamics, social inequalities, and ideologies embedded in discourse. It critically examines how language contributes to the construction and perpetuation of power imbalance. And critical discourse study, or CDS, often used interchangeably with CDA. CDS is a broader field encompassing various critical approaches to analyzing discourse. It explores the intersections of language, power, and social structure, aiming to reveal how language shape and reflects social norm and power relations. And three examples of CDA that I want to discuss is the first one is fabricating in the American dream in US media portrayals of Syrian refugees. Discourse analytical study authored by Batia and James in 2018. The focus is the studies explores how US media portrays Syrian refugees, and approach is utilizing CDA. The researchers analyze media discourse to uncover how language construct narrative about Syrian refugees and potentially including public perceptions. And they are finding the study reveals discursive strategies employed in media representations to contributing to an understanding of how power dynamics shape the narrative around refugees and the broader concepts of the American dreams. Next is traces of neoliberalisms in English teaching material, a critical discourse analysis authored by Babai and Sheki, 2018. The study investigates the presence of neoliberal ideologies in English teaching materials. And applying CDA, the researchers scrutinize language used in teaching material to identify traces of neoliberal discourse, uncovering how educational material may contribute to or challenge neoliberal ideologies. And they are finding the study sheds light on the subtle ways in which language in teaching material may have perpetuated or contest neoliberal values, revealing the power dynamic within educational discourse. And the last one is the selfie as a global discourse is made by Wilm and Ondrum, 2018. The study examines the global discourse surrounding the phenomenon of selfies, and using CDA, the researchers analyze how language constructs and reflects societal perceptions and norms related to selfies, revealing the power of dynamics inherent in global discourse on this cultural phenomena. And the study uncovered how language shapes and reinforces societal attitudes towards selfies, illustrating the power dynamics embedded in discourse surrounding this seemingly trivial yet cultural significant practice. And in a sense, discourse and power within the framework of CDA involves the exploration of power dynamics, ideologies, and social inequalities embedded in language use. The provided CDA studies exemplify the diverse applications of the approach of analyzing media portrayals of refugees and neoliberal traces in educational materials to understanding the global discourse on phenomena of selfies. And each studies contribute to unveiling how language construct and reflects power relations in different societal contexts. I think that's all about my understanding about CDA part 2. Thank you.